Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my Gautam channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how to make a YouTube channel. Now, you probably already have a Google account, and if you don't want to use your Google account as your YouTube channel, there's also a way you can create just a YouTube channel from your Google account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Now, the advantage of having a separate account, not your Google account, is that you can customize your name. It doesn't have to be just a first name and last name, which is the default one for a Google account. You can also do a bigger name, smaller name. You can add more words to it. So let's learn how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is click on your icon and then press settings. Then you'll go over here. Then it will say see all my channels or create a new channel. Click on that. Now here you can create a new channel by clicking that. Now this is where you can create a new channel. Here you can type in anything. It doesn't have to be a first name or a last name. So, for example, let's just do so you can type in whatever name you want. Then, there we go. We have a new YouTube channel. Here, we can upload videos by clicking this plus button. You can go live and upload a video. You can customize your channel by clicking this. And here you can add your channel art. Here you can edit your channel. You can do a lot of stuff with it. And in the next few videos, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically manage your own YouTube channel and grow it and make it get subscribers, all that stuff. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos like this. The YouTube channels, how to create banners, how to create an attractive channel name, all that stuff. So make sure to subscribe and like if you want more, if you want to see more content like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.